I often get asked what a PBM is. And the irony in this is when I meet my physician friends at a social get-together and they ask me what my next occupation is, I say I work for a PBM. And odds are they don't know what a PBM, and it always amazes me because physicians should always know the entity that ends up, having a significant portion of the healthcare costs and the decisions that affect their patients. But in essence, out of all the entities I talked about, health plans, health systems, etc., PBMs are one of the youngest parts of the puzzle. It's only about 40, 50 years PBMs started. It's important to understand the origin. They were supposed to help employers navigate pharmacy costs, the right drugs, help medically manage their employee populations, and to get paid a fee for that. Over the course of a number of decades, what's happened is there's been so much vertical integration in the industry where those incentives have become misaligned. It went from being advising, consulting, and providing the best costs to large employer populations or any size employer populations to then, as they acquired the pharmacies, the mail orders, the specialties, and provider practices. And then you throw in the fact that a lot of the health plans then acquired or merged with PBMs. This vertical integration created a lot of cloudiness on where profits could be made, confused the whole original concept of what the PBM was supposed to be as you're holding your hand through the pharmacy process for employer. So essentially now the PBM has become this cloud-like hazy entity that is now making money off the price of drugs. There is also an opportunity to make money at the pharmacy retail level, the mail order level, the specialty level, the provider level because of this vertical integration. When the original intent was what I started with is handhold your employer and your employee and your patients and help them understand and give them the lowest cost possible to be able to take care of their drug and medication needs. So it's pretty fascinating how the origin has evolved to this. But then if you follow the news very closely now, there's a lot of talk about disintegration and vertical integration, as many of these companies are finding that it became so hazy and the economics have been so mixed and confused that a lot of people are calling for the disintegration and the breakup of things that started several years ago.